Hey guys, it's Candy, and I have another teacher's gift idea. My son is special needs, so he's got several teachers in his class, and I decorated these penny black images, and then I actually went over the top of them with some modge podge. Oh yeah, it's early. Modge podge, just to seal it so it'd be a little more sturdy. Because I glue this on canvas. And this is a cute little sewing kit. So I just thought that would be something that they could maybe use either in school or this summer. And I only had 2 of each color, so this is the little boy one. And there's blue ones and white ones. So if you find, and I found these on clearance too, I believe that I found these at, I don't remember. If I remember where I did, I'll put it in the description below. But you can find sewing kits a lot of times at Michael's in their little bins, or even at Walmart I've seen them. So keep your eye out for little sewing kits. I've also seen where people buy the individual items and stick them in little mason jars and then decorate the mason jar. So that's another idea. So anyway, hope you guys like this idea. We'll talk to you guys real soon. Thanks so much for watching.